Talc is mainly composed of talc water containing magnesium silicate, usually into dense block, blade, radial, fibrous aggregate. Talc ball press is composed of 3 parts. 1 is the feeding part. The feeding part of talc ball press is mainly to achieve quantitative feeding, to ensure that the material evenly into the roller. 2 is the transmission part. Talcum powder ball press transmission part of the main transmission system is motor, triangle belt, reducer, open gear, roll engine is powered by the electromagnetic speed regulating motor, which is transmitted to the drive shaft through the rod pin coupling, through the belt pulley, and the cylindrical gear reducer. 3 is the forming part, mainly refers to the host part of the talc ball press. The core part is the roll.